Hello, welcome to my map. This is a giant present, as you can tell. And there's a bunch of lights around, so it doesn't get completely dark. But that's not the point of this video, because why would lights be the point of this video? Instead, this item sucks. It's the coal. It literally only does this to you, makes you slow. But if you put it in here, then it creates a power source. If we test it out normally, we can just grab a furnace from the holiday section, and then if we, go over here and then grab a light. That light's obviously not on right now, but just gonna paint it green. If we look over here, this is where the coal goes in, and when you put the coal in, it creates that power source. Also, another thing I like about the furnace is that, number one, it has 3 stages. Well, 4 if you count the stage where it has none. But also, you can paint it different colors, and it colors the inside of the furnace. I think that's really super cool. And if you paint a color that's not neon, it still makes it color. It's just like the lights right here, but normally it's just orange. So yeah, there's the first stage where it's nothing, second stage, third stage, fourth stage where it's full. So yeah, this is my favorite item, but if we want to look at the most recent items, we can see, there's the striped ornament, the present pillow, holiday wreath, throwing snowflake, holiday string lights, snow machine, holiday 24-piece 4, and of course, the coal furnace. But another one of my favorite things is this cool bomb right here. I call him Cool Bomb Guy, and it's really just called Wind Up Bomb. And then we also have the throwing snowflake, which if you look over here, it's kind of like a shuriken, but, that doesn't seem that cool if it's just a shuriken. But the really cool thing is, you can actually stand on them, and it takes a while for them to despawn. But also, if you put them at the perfect angle, they can bounce off of things. Well, I'm not getting it right now, but see, right there, it's bouncing like a freaking wheel. But another thing about it, since it's just like a frisbee, you can also frisbee hop on it. Although it's very hard to frisbee hop on it since it's going very fast. I think even faster than frisbee. But overall, I think the Christmas tech web is still not better than the Halloween tech web, because Halloween was the best holiday tech web because it had the spider right here, maybe right here or something. But this is definitely one of the best tech webs, not including holiday tech webs, because there's also the beach tech web. There's the suburbs tech web and all of that stuff. So this is definitely one of the top tier best tech webs, and I can't wait for the New Year's update, not only to test the lab for it, but for it to actually come out. I'm hoping there's maybe a 2025 tech web. Maybe we could get some cool glasses. Maybe we'll just have to wait until Valentine's Day. But anyways, I hope you guys like my map. and my video, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.